Hey everyone, welcome back. So I created this look for Valentine's Day. To know how, keep on watching. So my base and eyebrows are all done. I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette which is perfect for creating this look. Using this beautiful matte pink shade for my crease, putting it into my crease and blending well. It's a perfect transition shade. I'm using a lip and cheek color as my eyeshadow base. It is a bright pink shade and would help my eyeshadow to pop up. Using a flat eyeshadow brush, applying it all over my lid. Now taking the blending brush, I'm blending in both the crease and lid shades to ensure there are no harsh lines and a smooth transition. Now taking the shimmery eyeshadow palette from Nicka and using this glittery rose gold shade for my lids. Using my finger, I'm applying it all over my lid and not to take it up to your crease. And blending in the crease and the lid shade. Using a smaller brush, I'm blending in the inner crease. This would also intensify and define the inner crease well. Using this pearly white shade, I'm gonna highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Now taking this shade and applying it to the outer 3/4 of my lower lash line. Followed by this brown and then blending both the colors well. Using the Nykaa liquid liner as it has a very fine and sharp tip, ideal to draw a winged liner. Starting from the inner corners of my eyes and moving outwards, then drawing out the wing. Just sharpening the tip, and it looks good. Coating my lashes well in this Falsies Push-Up Drama Mascara. It really adds the volume and length my eyelashes need. Using my favorite blush, as you would know by now. It adds the perfect amount of color to my cheeks. Now coming to my favorite part, that is highlighting. Using the Nykaa Glow Getter Duo and using this golden highlighting shade on the right. Applying it generously on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose and on my cupid's bow. Also adding a little above my eyebrow arc. I love the glow that's on my face. Using this Note Mattemoist lip gloss. It is a perfect nudish pink shade and I really like the texture of this. It does not dry your lips at all and sets matte. And this is the finished look. The peachy shimmery eyes, winged liner, blushed cheeks, highlighted face and nude lips. I just love how this look turned out. And if you like it too, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. I'll see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.